It's finally summer. I was so ready. I am going to the beach for vacation and I need to pack my suitcase. I had forgotten. Will you help me? Let's start with this t-shirt. Let's see how it looks on me. It looks great. T-shirt, in you go. I will need some cool shorts since it's summer. I'm going to try these ones. Let's see how they are. Great! So comfortable. Shorts, in you go. I really want to swim. I can't forget my bathing suit. I'll take this one. It's my favorite. Bathing suit, in you go. It's also really important to remember flip-flops. They are very cool and comfortable shoes. Perfect for this vacation. Flip-flops, in you go. I have quite a few skirts. I don't know which one to take. This one or this one? Which one do you like most? How about this one? I will take both just in case. Skirt, in you go. I love these dresses. I'll pack this really pretty one. It looks so good. Do you like it? Dress, in you go. I will also need a pair of long pants just in case it gets chilly at night. Let's see how these ones look. They look really good. Pants, in you go. And this shirt will go great with those pants. I love this color. It looks great on me. Shirt, inside. It's really important that we don't forget our underwear. I don't think I'll try this on. Underwear, in you go. We put socks on our feet. I will pack a few pairs. Great, socks, in. Oh, I don't know what tennis shoes to take on this trip. I think I'll take these ones that I got for my birthday. So comfortable. Tennis shoes, in you go. And finally, sunglasses to protect my eyes. Sunglasses. Wow, they look great. I think I will just keep these ones on. That's everything. Thanks for your help. See you at the beach. Let's open the suitcase. I hope I didn't forget anything. Sunglasses. Tennis shoes. Socks. Underwear. Shirt. Pants. Dress. Skirt. Flip-flops. Bathing suit. Shorts. T-shirt. Awesome! Everything is here. Time for a good swim.
Hello, friends! Today we're going to the beach to learn a lot of new words. Are you ready to learn some beach vocabulary? Let's do it! Sea. Seas are huge bodies of salt water that we have on our planet. Thousands of animals and plants live in the sea. Repeat after me. Sea. Sea. Sand. The sand on the beach is a mixture of tiny pieces of rocks and minerals that have been broken up by the sea. It's super fun to play with. Have you ever made a sandcastle? Repeat after me. Sand. Sand. Waves. Waves are the movements of the seawater. When they reach the shore, they break and crash against the sand as if they were dancing. Repeat after me. Waves. Waves. Sun. The sun gives us light and warmth from the sky. It's very nice to have a sunny day at the beach so you don't get cold. But be careful not to get sunburned. Repeat after me. Sun. Sun. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a cream that we use to protect us from the sun and not get sunburned. It is very important to apply sunscreen every 2 hours at the beach. Repeat after me. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Towel. A towel is an absorbent cloth that we use to dry off after swimming. We can also lie down on it in the sand. Repeat after me. Towel. Towel. Sandcastle. Building sandcastles is a fun way to enjoy the beach. Let's see who can build the tallest sandcastle. Repeat after me. Sandcastle. Sandcastle. Bucket. We use buckets to build the huge sandcastles we talked about. Also, you can use a bucket to collect shells or help you catch fish. How fun! Repeat after me. Bucket. Bucket. Shovel. Shovels are another important tool for playing in the sand. You'll be a real artist. Repeat after me. Shovel. Shovel. Swimsuit. Swimsuits are what we wear when we go swimming in the sea or the pool. They dry very quickly and are very comfortable. Repeat after me. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. Remember all the words we have learned at the beach? Let's review them. Sea. Sand. Waves. Sun. Sunscreen. Towel. Sandcastle. Bucket. Shovel. Swimsuit. What a fun day at the beach! I had a great time. See you soon. Hello, friends. Today we're going back to the beach. Are you ready to learn more new vocabulary about this wonderful place? Let's go. Shell. The shells we find in the sand were the homes of sea animals. They come in many types and colors. It's like finding treasure. Repeat after me. Shell. Shell. Beach ball. You can play with a beach ball in and out of the sea. They are very light. Usually you blow them up, so be careful not to get lightheaded. Repeat after me. Beach ball. Beach ball. Beach chair. We use beach chairs for lounging on the beach. The perfect place for a good nap. Repeat after me. Beach chair. Beach chair. Floatie. A floatie allows us to swim in the sea with less risk because it stops us from sinking. Repeat after me. Floatie. Floatie. Lifeguard. Lifeguards are the professionals in charge of the safety of everyone at the beach. They can rescue people, give directions with their whistle, or simply monitor that all is well. Repeat after me. Lifeguard. Lifeguard. Lifesaver. Lifesavers are huge orange rings that lifeguards use to rescue a person in danger. Repeat after me. Lifesaver. Lifesaver. Sunglasses. We wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from bright light. They can also protect us from the sun. Plus, they look great on me. Repeat after me. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Beach umbrella. Beach umbrellas are like regular umbrellas that you stick in the sand, but instead of protecting us from the rain, they protect us from the sun. Repeat after me. Beach umbrella. Beach umbrella. Crab. Crabs are small animals that crawl around the sand and rocks. They have pincers on their front legs that allow them to grab things. Repeat after me. Crab. Crab. Surfboard. Surfboards are what surfers use to catch waves. Isn't that cool? It's like dancing on the waves. Repeat after me. Surfboard. Surfboard. Remember all the words we've learned about the beach? Let's review them. Shell. Beach ball. Beach chair. Floatie. Lifeguard. Lifesaver. Sunglasses. Beach umbrella. Crab. Surfboard. What a fun trip to the beach. I had a great time. See you soon.
Hi everyone! Today it's time we learn about water transportation. A boat is mostly used in shallow water. A ship is bigger. It is used in wide rivers and seas. It can transport people or goods. The person in charge is the captain. Motorboats are small and are mostly pumped with air. They have a small motor and are quite light. They can be used in rescues. Canoes are long and can fit very few people. You can move it along using the paddles. Careful, don't fall off. Sailboats are boats that move thanks to the wind in their sails. Pirates used to travel in these. Fun! This is jet ski. It's used to move very fast around the coast. It fits 1 or 2 people. What about deeper down in the sea? We have submarines. It can travel underwater for months. This is a cruise ship. They're the biggest boats on the planet. They can travel very long distances. They usually transport goods and people. Let's review what we have learned. Boat. Ship. Motorboat. Canoe. Sailboat. Jet ski. Submarine. Cruise ship. Nicely done, sailor.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.